Welcome back to One to Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Aegon pension account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Aegon pension login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the second link where it says login or register. Once you click on the link, you'll see this kind of interface. On this page, you'll have to provide your user ID and your password. And if you are new to Aegon, you can register for a new account by selecting who you are, either a customer, employer or advisor, and click on the register button. Once you are registered, go ahead and enter your user ID. After that, enter your password. And if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to recover it. And if you have forgotten your user ID, you can click on this link to recover it. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials. Then click on the login button. Once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I will catch you on the next one.